What's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be testing out launch control in the SRT Hellcat. It's going to be my first time ever trying it, so bear with me if I'm not good at it. But I'm going to go and hop over here to this road, and I'm going to go and cut the camera back. If you guys do like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. Also, thank you very much for 1,800 subscribers. I never thought I would have got there, but now the next journey is 2,000, and then 5,000, and 10,000. And then so on. But yeah, let's get up here and then we'll go and try it out. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go and hit the launch tab. There we go. Okay. So we're gonna launch at 2,000 RPM, and it says to launch, press brake and apply throttle. The whole cloud of smoke back there, that didn't work out. We're gonna go up here and we're gonna try it again. Alrighty guys, so right now the Hellcat is completely stock. No muffler delete, nothing changed with it. It is completely stock. We probably got this car about 4 months ago, so it's not like we could do anything with it anyway. But eventually we're gonna be removing the mid mufflers to make it a little louder, and then eventually adding a smaller pulley to it, and then probably later on, if we decide not to trade it in and get a track hawk or something, we're going to do a E85 tune and stuff like that. Stuff that's not too reliable, since the car is still on warranty. We don't want to mess with that just in case anything does go wrong with it. But yeah guys, so stick along with the journey. Like I said, subscribe if you guys are new. And yeah, so we're going to go and get to this other location that's more secluded, so we can attempt to do this launch control. Like I said, I've never done it in any car before, and we're gonna try it out on camera. It's gonna be kind of embarrassing. Back there, I kind of did a burnout, and I shouldn't have because we don't have much tread left. So I'm gonna go up here and cut the camera back on just a second. Let's hear the whine one more time. That's with the windows up. Barely throttle. Do it again, full throttle. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. This thing's scary, man. Alrighty guys, let's try this bullshit again. So I'm gonna go over here to launch. Actually, I'll do it here. Launch control. Vehicle will launch at 2,000 RPMs. Okay, so press brake, apply throttle. There it was. Holy can't say that. There it was. That was it. So okay, so I see what you gotta do. You gotta press the brake and then apply the throttle really fast and hold it all the way down, and it'll start stuttering. That was pretty scary, I'm not gonna lie. For some reason traction control still went on, even though I have it completely turned off. I don't know why it did that. I'll have to figure that out. Alrighty guys, so if you guys are new to the channel, this is what I'm driving. It's a 2021 Hellcat Redeye, wide body. This thing is awesome. I will never go to a different car other than my BMW. I gotta stick to the BMW since that was my first car ever. But yeah man, this car performs great. I love it. Super quick. It's deadly if you don't know what you're doing. I don't even know what I'm doing, so I really can't say that, but I guess we can try it one more time. We don't have really any tread left. I really don't want to burn all the rubber, so I guess we'll try it one more time, and yeah, I'll come back in just a second. Alrighty guys, we're gonna try it one more time, but this time we're gonna go from 2,000 to 25. Actually, we'll do 2,400 RPM. Like I said, it's my second time doing it now, so let's do it. Activate launch control, brake, throttle. That was crazy. Anyways, that's my second time doing it ever. If you guys did enjoy this, let me know and I'll do a part 2, but I'll do it all the way up to, I think it goes to 2,500. Yeah, 2,500. So that last one was 2,300, and I'll do the next run at 2,500. And I'll do it a couple more times if you guys enjoyed it. I'm making these short little videos just to see if you guys like them, see what you guys are interested in. And it comes to me that it's all about the Hellcat that you guys are enjoying and not the BMW. So yeah, guys, go and help me get to 2,000 subscribers. I'm almost there, only 200 away. And yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Might be in trouble. That might be a cop coming up behind me.